More in Word. Part 2. Select text by using keyboard. So in the previous video, we have seen that how to select the document or the entire text or any part of the text using the mouse. So today in this video, we are going to learn about how to select the text using keyboard. So let's start. So here I am having an on-screen keyboard which is available on your computer also. So here, if I want to select one character to the right where my mouse is, the current position of my mouse. So here my current position of the mouse is on P, the computer spelling P, character P. And if I want to move, select the U also. So for that, I have to press Shift plus my right arrow of the keyboard. Okay, so if I want to select one character to the left of the current position of the mouse, or the cursor, what I have to do is that using the keyboard, I have to press Shift plus left arrow. And if I would like to select a word from its beginning to its end, okay, a word from its beginning to its end. So of course I want to place my cursor on the beginning of the word. Here I am placing the cursor on the word computer. And on the keyboard I have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow so that the entire word gets selected. And if I want to select the word from the end to its beginning, for that I have to place the cursor at the end of the word, and then I have to press on my keyboard Ctrl plus Shift plus left arrow. Same time I have to press all these keys. You can see that. Okay. And if you want to select a line from its beginning to its end, so you have to press the home tab. Home tab and end tab is available here. Home tab means if you're clicking the home tab, the cursor will move to the beginning of that line, and if you're pressing the end tab, the cursor will move to the end of that line. So for that, what I have to do is that to select a line from its beginning to its end, I have to place my cursor at the beginning. For that, I have to press the home tab and then press Shift plus end key. Okay. Next, if I want to select a line from its end to its beginning, for that I have to press the end key on the keyboard, and then I have to press Shift plus home key on the keyboard. If I want to select one line down, okay, one line down of my current cursor position, so I have to press the end key and then press Shift plus up arrow. Up arrow, you know that. See, this is the way how I have to select a one line up of the current position of the cursor. And if I want to select a paragraph from its beginning to its end, that means a paragraph from its beginning to its end. So what I have to do is that move the pointer to the beginning of the paragraph and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. And if I want to select a paragraph from its beginning, end to its beginning, for that I have to move the pointer to the end of the paragraph and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus up arrow keys on my keyboard, but it should be pressed at the same time. If I want to select a document from its beginning to its end, document I am talking about, not the paragraph. So move the pointer to the beginning of the document and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus end keys. Okay, see, when I click the end keys, you can see that the document from its beginning to its end gets selected. This is the entire paragraph in the document. And if I want to select a document from its end to its beginning, move the pointer to the end of the document and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus home keys on my keyboard. From the beginning of a window to its end, full. For that, move the pointer to the beginning of the window and then press Alt plus Control plus Shift plus page down button is there, that is PGD, that is page down. And if I want to select the entire document using the keyboard, I have to simply press the Control plus A, the alphabet A, so that the entire document gets selected. And here using the keyboard, if I want to select a vertical block of text, for that I have to press the F8. One function key is there. Function key means you are having F1 to F12. Total 12 function keys are there. They are used for some special functions to perform. So here for the vertical block of selection of text, we are using the function key, that is 8, F8. Okay, in the keyboard you will available that. So for that you have to press Control plus Shift plus F8 and then use the arrow keys. And if I want to press a word, for that again using the function key. We have already learned about how to select a word using the keyboard. But here using function key, how we are going to select a word or a text or a paragraph. So let's see. For selecting a word, I have to press F8 first. If I pressing the F8, that is the function key F8, it means that the selection is now turned on. Now the selection is on. Okay, so just first press on the F8. Then after that, if you press the F8 once on a particular word, means where is your cursor is, where the current position of the cursor, and if you are pressing the F8, what happened? F8 you have to press once. Okay, only one time the word will get selected. And if you don't want that selection, you can click the escape button, escape key from the keyboard. And if you want to select a sentence, again if you have to press the F8 key, it means that the selection is on now. Then you have to press F8 twice. If you press the F8 twice, it means that a sentence gets selected. You can see that. And if you want to select a paragraph, for selecting a paragraph, you have to triple click the F8. That means 3 times you have to press the F8 key, that function key. Okay, and if you don't want that, if you again click and click, it will go on like that. So if you don't want that selection, if you want to cancel that selection, you have to simply press the escape, ESC, that is the escape button of the keyboard, so that the selection mode get turned. Yes, if you want to click an entire document, you have to make a 4 times click on the F8. 4 times you have to press the F8 function button. So now it's clear for you. Okay, now let us write this in your notebook. Questions and answer. Question number 1. How to select one character to the right? You have to press Shift plus right arrow from your keyboard. Question number 2. How to select the entire document using keyboard? You have to press the Alt key plus A, character A. Question number 3. How to select a document from its beginning to its end using keyboard? Move the pointer to the beginning of the document and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus End. Question number 4. How to select a word from its beginning to its end using keyboard? Place the insertion point at the beginning of the word and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. Thank you, children.